Hello, Happy New Year, board gamers. This is again Rico of Solo Board Gaming Nantundo. I deeply apologize. Just got this my first video for this New Year, and it's been too long. I've been sick, and it's a holiday, so everybody's busy and don't have much time. Well, I'm still working for now. Maybe when I get retired, I can make more videos. But for now, yes, this is my first video. And now, putting those aside, we will be unboxing one of my new games that arrived that I ordered maybe 2 years ago from Game Chichuri. It's a solo game, the a handheld board game. Technically, you don't need a table. You can well, you can technically play it anywhere, even when you're riding a bus, some LRT or whatever, or maybe a jeep or a public utility vehicle, not on a motorcycle. You cannot play this while, well, yeah, it can be risky. But again, putting those aside again, and I will show to you Dragons of Etching Stone. So this is the core box. I already prepared the box for. I'm always recycling the plastic, so it samely as mainly as the main cover for the game. I think the tape is not good. Well, yeah. Okay. Nice box, huh? And here's the content. As I told you, this is a board game that you can play on your hand. See? And the good thing with this, with GCT, these are plastic. These are PVC. You don't need to sleeve this. Actually, you can shuffle this like this without, oh, you see? Without breaking sweat and without the, what you call this, of being afraid that it will be worn out. Making game, GCT makes cards in PVC and they last long. You see? I'm shuffling them. Don't make them too much bend like this. It will ruin the card. But see that plastic? You see that? You can't do this on cardboard cards. They will they will mark your cards and ruin your game forever. Oh well, this is the core game. It has two expansion actually. The first expansion is the Northern Vale. So this is the Northern Vale expansion. So it's like a booster, but not that's not a booster actually. Let's open it. When I'm opening booster like this, I always, as much as possible, I want to retain the pack. Yeah. Uh-huh. So, oh my God. Maybe I cut the cards. No, 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 no. Yeah. Again, the manual. This is the manual. It's for not bay to play. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Smells good also. This is the smell of a new card. I think this is a divider for that one. Yeah. Again, it's made of plastic. Additional expansion. This is maybe additional characters that you can choose. Yeah. Never been played this. I'll be you see those dragons. Those are the boss. Ah. Good, good, good. And the smell is good also. Now, the other one, the next expansion, this is Siege expansion. The one is with Northville. I think these are other regions, other mage cards, and two dragon cards. Yeah. And this one is when you're sieging. Previously, I have this kind of game also, handheld game. It is called Rome, Beyond Rome. I think that's the title of the name. Yep. Okay. Nice. Dragons of Etching Stone. See that? Nice cards. See? Ah, this is you're sieging a keep. Mm-hmm. Trivia. So, these kinds of game, tell you the truth, this kind of game will be make you busy or play them technically maybe 6 months or half a year, even a year. These games can be your game for maybe for a lifetime that you don't need to buy any more games. And yeah, it's a worth that what I say is good buy for money. Yeah, worth the buck. And you can put all these manuals there. Yep, inside. Also, this what you call these reference cards. Yeah, all inside of that. Maybe here. And it's the box. Oh, it fits very well. Huh? See, it's good. Box is good. Contains all the expansions. All of this inside. Maybe we just keep this as souvenirs. Yeah, I think so. Normally, I keep these cards, this content. So when I maybe get used of the game, I try to resell them. Yeah. Every I don't believe in eternal collection. Sometimes you get used of the game, then you just sold them. Yeah, it's a part of the life, and it's good. Yeah. I'll be maybe reading the rules, and I know I have many pending videos. I have some plays, and again, thanks for watching my how to play the Voynich puzzle. I think mostly of you wanted to no wanted how to play videos rather than playthrough, but I'll try to best. Maybe either my next how to play, I'll be doing a how to play video of Menefer, or maybe this one. But I don't know. Just comment on the box, then on that box, and say what you want me to do, what kind of video you want me to do. And again, please don't forget to like and share this video so I can make more videos in the future that so that will that will give me motivation to create one, so I know that many is watching this kind of video. And again, I think that's all for today. And don't forget, I'll be also sign up for volunteering for Game Library uh, Expo this coming May. I hope I'll be accepted. But guys, if you're going there, see you there in Quezon City, MICE. And again, this is Rico of Solo for Gaming of Tondo saying goodbye for now.